I realized the entire video I was holding it backwards. Classic me. J 7-star bricks. So I'm in the YouTube partner program, and they have this thing called Highfive, and it's rewards for YouTube partners for, I don't know why they're testing something, but this is my first YouTube play button constructed, funnily enough, out of alternative bricks, because these are not actual Lego bricks. YouTube, their partner, sent us some alternative brand bricks. They have no labeling on them. I don't know who made them. They are pretty good. They're probably up there with J-Star in terms of quality. So they're pretty good. I thought it was appropriate that we get a brick-built YouTube play button on this channel. Pretty cool. I didn't pay for this. They sent it to me for free, part of the rewards program. Neat. Can't buy this set anywhere, so I'm not going to give you any links or anything. But if you watch the build video, it's pretty obvious how to make it, and also you can probably see the instructions on there too. Yeah. Cool. Thanks YouTube and your Highfive partner program. There's not much to say. It's a play button. Took about 15 minutes to build. That's it. That's it. Just a really short video on this, but appropriate for our channel. I'll see you guys here next time.